You lift Rollton toward your mouth, ready to eat.
Rollton enters the stomach, and digestion begins. Nutrients travel through the intestines into the bloodstream. Those nutrients spread throughout the entire body. The brain activates as neurons begin to glow. Muscles absorb nutrients and refuel. The gut microbiome becomes active. Energy radiates outward through the body. The stomach may become irritated. A possible allergic reaction appears. Blood sugar levels may spike. Energy levels can drop afterward.